Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your video brightness more brighter on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're watching video on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you think this brightness is not enough, then don't worry, as you can make it more brighter on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar. Next, tap on settings at the top right. Scroll down until you see advanced features. Scroll down until you see video brightness. Tap on this. So this will play videos using your phone's normal screen brightness and color settings. So it currently is set to normal. However, if you want it bright, go ahead and select bright. And this will temporarily increase the screen brightness and make your colors more vibrant when you watch this video. So these are all the apps that have been supported. So video player, Google TV, YouTube, and Netflix. So once you've set this, go ahead and watch your videos and your video will be more bright and more vibrant. So there you go guys, that is how to increase the video brightness on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.